Jai Gurudev to each one of you, and a very warm welcome to each and everybody. So, my name is Sakshi, and I am basically from Assam. Been a part of Art of Living since the last 10 years, and I am into IT professional. So, today, in the midst of all of us, it gives me immense pleasure to tell you all of you that we have someone very special. We have Julie Mahanta from Assam. She doesn't need any introduction though, but she's an amazing person at heart and an art of living teacher, the only teacher in entire Assam for intuition process. And so we are very, very happy to have Julie Didi today. We will be sharing some knowledge with her. So there will be lots of question and answer session basically with her. So I'm looking forward to have a beautiful Q&A with her, and we're looking forward to all her beautiful answers. Thank you so much, Juliba, for being with us today. Thank you so much.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev
Jai
all.
Gurudev. So there will be few questions for you, Juliba, today. And on behalf of them, I will share it with you. And like me, all of us, we all are waiting for your beautiful answers now.
Yeah, hope I will give you a beautiful answer. Please go ahead.
uh, so So there is a question coming that is, what does happiness means to you?
Yeah, it's a really nice question. Uh, Happiness, I think that happiness is it is it's depend on our mind, state of mind, and it is not about the things around us, whatever it is. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ होने से, जैसे हमको लगता है कि कुछ मिलने से कुछ ड्रीम्स होता है या फिर कुछ हमको चाहिए होता है, हमको लगता है कि वो मिलने से हम खुश हो जाएंगे, ऐसा लगता है। बट वो चीज जब मिल जाते हैं तो लेकिन वो थोड़ी टाइम के लिए वो सुख मिलता है, उसके बाद फिर वो पहले के जैसा हम बन जाते हैं। इसलिए मुझे लगता है आफ्टर आफ्टर केम टू आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, आई फील हैप्पीनेस इट्स अबाउट आवर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड ओनली। तो हमारा अगर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड अपलिफ्ट है तो तब हम खुश हो सकते हैं। ये डिपेंड नहीं है कि हमारे पास क्या है या नहीं। तो मेरे लिए खुश होना एक ये हमारा मन अगर शरीर स्वस्थ है, मन अगर एनर्जी लेवल इज हाई, then we are happy actually. It is not about the things around us. I feel like that.
Thank you so much, Ba, for your beautiful answer. And we would love to have the second question also now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I
I
think you have a
Okay.
lot of questions coming on your way. Okay, the second question is, how was your first visit with Gurudev?
Actually, every time I feel this is my first visit to Gurudev. when whenever for long time, जब भी ऐसा बहुत गैप हो जाते हैं, गुरुदेव को नहीं मिला, तो जब काफी दिन के बाद जब उनके पास जाते हैं तब लगता है बहुत, मतलब वो भी पहला विजिट जैसा ही लगता है। एवरी टाइम whenever I meet him, I feel this is first time like। तो ये सबके साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा। और वैसे मैंने उनको मिला था फिजिकली, आई मेट हिम ऑन 2006 इन बैंगलोर आश्रम। And then I was just, he was sitting in Vishalakshi Mandap and in a satsang. At that time, I reached ashram. And when I saw him, I was not able to, I felt like it's a dream. And I was looking at him and I was crying for some time. I felt like, oh, finally I came to him. I felt like that. It's really amazing. अगर श्री श्री रविशंकर जी गुरुदेव आप नहीं मिले हो उनको, जब आप उनको पर्सनली मिलोगे तो इट्स रियली अमेजिंग. यू विल नॉट इवन बिलीव. आपको ये ऐसा होगा ही नहीं कि आप किसी को मिल के आप इतना खुश कैसे हो सकते हो. तो इट्स अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग. आई मीन सारे खुशी जब आ जाते हैं, जब जैसे बच्चे अपने आप खुश हो जाते हैं ना, वैसे ही गुरुदेव को मिलके भी हम अपने आप ही खुश हो जाते हैं. एंड दैट इज लाइक that I felt as like a child. It's complete, full happiness.
I think the audiences have also a lot of questions for you. Okay, the next question is, why do we feel fear of creating a new startup?
हाँ, जब कुछ हम नया शुरू करते हैं, एक्चुअली अक्सर हमें जो पता होता है, लाइक वी नो समथिंग very well, we don't worry about that. जैसे सपोज अभी जब ये कोरोना जब आ गया था, ये बीमारी, तो पहले हमको बहुत डर लगा था कि ये क्या होगा, ये क्या कर देगा. वी डोंट हैव आइडिया अबाउट दैट. सो कुछ मुझे ये लगता है एक्चुअली, जब हम जो हमारे जिसके बारे में हमको आइडिया नहीं होता है, लेकिन हम उसके बारे में कुछ अंदाजा लगाना चाहते हैं, उसको फाइनल डिफाइन कुछ मतलब लिमिट करना चाहते हैं, तब हमें डर लगता है. मतलब ऐसा होने वाला है लेकिन हमको ये नहीं होना है. तो इसलिए जब हम कुछ नया शुरू करने के लिए डरते हैं, क्योंकि अगर गलत होगा तो क्या होगा, ये हमको डर लगता है. हम इसको जो हम नहीं देखते हैं उसके लिए हम डरते हैं, मतलब क्या फेस करना पड़ेगा हमको, ये इसीलिए हमको डर लगता है. जो हम जानते हैं उससे नहीं डरते, जो नहीं जानते उसके बारे में डरते हैं इसीलिए. और एक्चुअली मैं तो डरती नहीं हूँ इसलिए मैं इसका आंसर नहीं दे पा रही हूँ. क्योंकि यही मेरा ये है, क्योंकि दुनिया में सब कुछ, हमें कल क्या होगा हमें यही नहीं पता. एक्चुअली द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. सो आवर लाइफ इज in unpredictable. So what worry to start something new then? Everything is new. If you will see in some different way, every moment is new moment. So that's we are living. अगर हम लाइफ को ऐसे जी रहे हैं तो कुछ नया लेने के लिए डरना क्यों है. लेकिन ये सजगता हमारा नहीं है. एक्चुअली everything is new. Actually every moment is new, every day is new, and we don't know what will happen in the next moment. हम नहीं जानते हुए भी हम जीना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि we love ourselves very much. तो ऐसे भी जब हम कुछ करना होता है, उसको अगर करना ही है करके हम लेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है डर तो नहीं लगेगा.
I think जुलीबा वो आंसर शायद मेरे लिए भी था. Thank you so much for that. Okay, the next
Thank you.
question is, why in spite of daily sadhana, sometimes minds streach to negativity?
इट्स गुड. नो नेगेटिविटी स्ट्रेच होने के लिए ही साधना है. निगेटिविटी है इसीलिए तो हमको साधना करना है. see, if there is nothing in opposite, then what is the value? So, but our focus should be on the positive thing. जैसे एक गुरुदेव said, like one cell, एक हमारे पूरे कितने सेल है हमको नहीं पता ना शरीर में. तो एक सेल्स में उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, प्रोटॉन होता है. तो प्रोटॉन जो है ना वो बीच में होता है, वो पॉजिटिव है. इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है निगेटिव, वो बाहर होते हैं. एज लाइक वी आर पॉजिटिविटी इज इनसाइड अस, बट जो निगेटिविटी है ना वो बाहर है. हमारा अपना स्वभाव है वो पॉजिटिविटी. और थोड़ा निगेटिविटी जाते हैं तो अच्छा है ना. तो साधना से वो फिर से पॉजिटिविटी तक आएगा. इसीलिए साधना का महत्व हमको समझ में आएगा. जब निगेटिविटी आते हैं तभी हमको इसका महत्व, इम्पोर्टेंस तभी हमको समझ में आते हैं. ये तो रहेगा ही, लेकिन हम वेयर इज योर आवर फोकस. अगर हम निगेटिविटी के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस करेंगे तो वो डबल हो जाएगा. अगर पॉजिटिविटी के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस करेंगे तो वो डबल होगा. सो लेट्स focus on our sadhana and positivity. Then negativity will not be there for a long time. It will be just calm and it will go then.
Such a beautiful answer, Juliba.
मैंने ये बताया था कि एक्चुअली मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आई फेल्ट लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो मैंने बहुत अमेजिंग आंसर दिया कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो, बट आई फेल्ट लाइक दैट.
Okay, there is a question. It is about your experience while inspiring people to join meditation and etc.
Okay. एक्सपीरियंस सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस तो खुद का हुआ है. मतलब it's after came to art of living, after started teaching, खुद का ही मतलब बहुत स्टेट ऑफ माइंड बहुत डेवलप हुआ है. Just came to know how to interact with people. And जब मेडिटेशन के लिए बोलते हैं तब बहुत लोगों को ये भी लगता है, मतलब क्या जैसे आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के बारे में हम बताते हैं, बहुत लोगों को ये लगता है कि हम तो बाकी सब कर ही रहे हैं, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, मतलब आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग क्या नया चीज है. तो you must be knowing about Assam. It was very difficult to do art of living work in Assam, basically in northeast. So it's not at all easy. So at the very beginning, it was really tough to motivate people towards art of living, to join meditation and all. But in art of living, by Guru's grace, everything is easy to do. So I felt like, I don't know about other people. I don't know the people who ever joined Art of Living course or whoever, done Art of Living program. But I know about myself. It is, huge difference. It is like before came to Art of Living and now it's a totally separate personality. Maybe I could not be able to answer your question before doing the Art of Living course. Definitely. but now I have I have an idea about life. What is life? What we should do? What we should sharing? What we should care about others? What are the responsibility we have? How we can take care of ourselves as long as with our family and the society. So these all are experience. When I went to inspiring people, I inspired myself. I felt something different in me actually. Every time I get something, I got to learn something new. That is my experience.
but there are so many things to learn from you. Each time you speak, it always inspired me. It always and always inspired me with a beautiful answers. Such profound answer you give me that you inspire yourself.
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you.
My pleasure, Didi. So we'll have the next question also now.
Yes, yes.
This is a very interesting and a very nice question. What is the difference between birth and death? Even I want to know this.
बर्थ एंड डेट डेट के बाद क्या होता है वो तो मुझे नहीं पता ना मुझे पता है बर्थ के बाद क्या होता है वो मुझे पता है so so what is the difference means after birth we have everything to do after date I don't know what to do that is my answer I know one thing only before that we have to do whatever we want to do the good things and just leave about the you know date uh, so birth is a journey towards doing everything life is a journey towards doing towards to give you any experience any kind of experience any kind of happiness so what is that I don't have the experience now after experiences I will tell
That was really witty, Juliba. So, Juliba, being our problem shooter for the day, we have another couple of questions for you. And yeah, we can have few questions for you now.
yeah sure
Okay, somebody is asking about something very unique and a very nice question. Can you please share regarding Sahat Samadhi?
okay सहज समाधि सहज मीन्स जो सिंपल है बहुत सरल है that is सहज and samadhi it is a profound state of our consciousness जो जैसे बच्चे जो जो स्थिति में रहते हैं like you know very free happy content and that is the state of samadhi that's what I know and am I audible Sakshi
Yes, yes, Didi, yes.
okay and लाइक वही मतलब हमको फिर से यू नो वापस बचपना नहीं मतलब बच्चों के जो स्थिति है जो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है लाइक फ्री हैप्पी यू नो कंटेंट जो उसी स्टेट को उसी स्टेट में वापस लेके आ सकता है दैट इज सहज समाधि and this is a course this is a 3 days course and here Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji he has given us very beautiful technique to do the easiest technique to do the meditation so this is the technique Sahaj Samadhi meditation course Dhyan Yoga actually so this through this course after doing this program doing this course anybody can meditate very easily effortlessly that is Sahaj Samadhi and that is Sahaj Samadhi meditation course and anybody can do very effortless and deep deeper level of meditation anybody can feel after doing this course that's it
Okay. So I think the audience has got the beautiful answer once again from your side. Now we can have the other question, Juliba.
yeah sure
Okay, this is a long question, I suppose. So this question is, in this lockdown period, Gurudev has said that whatever you will be doing in this time will become a habit and your body will adopt that lifestyle. What and how should I do to start my day by by I think the question is incomplete. By walk by waking up, I guess.
Yeah, wacky. Yes, right, wacky. Okay.
Is it indeed?
Hmm. So you already told that Gurudev has given us,
Okay. It's, but the question is by waking up as early as possible so that even my body adopt this lifestyle on lifetime basis.
it's a long question.
It's a very long question. Do you want me to repeat it?
Uh, no, no, I got it. Actually, uh, he's asking like how we can put this habit
Adopt the
in
lifestyle.
the daily
Yeah.
life, right? That is the question, I think.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So Gurudev already told the answer. No, in the question you have the answer, I think. Jab, something it will come in habit. You have to do first little effort. You need to be give little effort. जैसे हम बचपन में जब हम बच्चे थे छोटे थे तब हमको ब्रश करना भी पसंद नहीं होता था राइट we didn't want to teach her brush our teeth तो हमारे पेरेंट्स यू नो वो लोग जोर जबरदस्ती हमको करते थे मतलब नहाना पसंद नहीं होता था किसी किसी बच्चे को ब्रश करना पसंद नहीं होता था लेकिन ये करना जरूरी है इसीलिए करवाते थे जैसे वो हमारे हैबिट में बन गया वो तो अभी वो ऐसा नहीं है तो हैबिट इज लाइक दैट तो पहले पहले हमको थोड़ा एफर्ट डालना पड़ता है और तो मतलब वो बन जाते हैं और सेकंड थिंग इज यू नो जैसे हमको सच में कुछ करना होता है लाइक जब कोई आपको बोलेंगे कि आप अगर कल सुबह जल्दी जाग जाते हो आपको एक समथिंग यू विल गेट इट समथिंग यू विल गेट अगर ऐसे बोलते हैं कुछ आपको मिलेगा अगर सुबह जल्दी जाग जाते हो तो आपको कुछ मिलने वाला है कल ऐसा कुछ अगर कोई कुछ बताते हैं तब आप तो उठ ही जाते हो तो कुछ पाने की जब चाहत होते हैं तब हम वो हैबिट हम रखना चाहते हैं वो हैबिट जरूरी होता है और हैबिट के साथ एक कमिटमेंट भी जरूरी होता है कि ये करना ही है करके करेंगे तो हैबिट बनेगा ही तो पहले थोड़ी दिन के लिए जैसे गुरुदेव बोलते हैं थोड़ी दिन के लिए करो फिर उसको बढ़ा के फिर ऐसे उसका थोड़ा मतलब जैसे सपोज पहले 2 दिन के लिए किया फिर 3-4 दिन के लिए फिर 1 हफ्ते के लिए फिर 15 डेज के लिए ऐसे बढ़ाते जाएंगे तो वो एक हैबिट बन जाएगा तो आई थिंक ऐसे ही करना चाहिए और कुछ करने का जब सच में चाहत होता है कि ये करना ही है करके हम जब ठान लेते हैं तो कोई आपको रोक नहीं सकता मतलब वो आ ही जाते हैं आई फील सो
Thank you, Juliba, for your such beautiful answers. And you really made our day, especially mine. You made my evening. I got to know so many things today. जो मुझे नहीं पता था वो मुझे सीखने को आज मौका मिला. And there were so many beautiful questions, isn't it, Juliba?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So, Juliba, the next question would be from my side as well. Okay, after this question, I'll put my question to you. Is it possible to change the Sahaj mantra?
Why we need to change? Mantra or ye, like, can we change our whatever the, written in the Shastra, scriptures? We cannot, right? So, like that, mantra is also like that. जो भी मंत्र है जो भी मंत्र दिया गया है क्योंकि सहज समाधि में हम मंत्र देते हैं जो मंत्र देते हैं वो आपके लिए ही है we don't need to change it and actually each and every technique there is We need to keep faith on the technique and the faith on us ourselves also. So that's it. We don't need to change. It's like a seed. एक बार जो आ गया अंदर वो आ ही गया, वो रहेगा ही पूरे लाइफ टाइम के लिए. I don't know after that also. So we don't need to change it.
Yes, Juliba. So my question would be, how did you start? How did you start as a teacher? How did you come to art of living? I would love to know this from your side as well.
Uh, okay. Actually, not so interesting. I mean, how I came, I was in college that time in 2004. Uh, I was a BA second year student that time, and that time I came to know from Lai Madhukala. He's my husband now. So he told me that you should do this course. It's a very good, very nice course, Art of Living. At that time in Assam, it was like Art of Living. It was no name by the name of Art of Living. Nobody doesn't know about Art of Living. What is Art of Living? What it is? ये खाए पिए या क्या करे, किसी को पता नहीं था इसके बारे में. तो जब भी मैंने घर पे बोला कि मुझे ये कोर्स करना है, तब इसका फीस 500 था. तो मैंने बोला कि मुझे 500 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए. इस बार मैं हॉस्टल में थी तब. तो बोला कि 500 रुपीज इस बार मुझे मुझे एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे कोर्स करना है. देन माय फादर आस्क्ड मी कि ये कोर्स करके क्या जॉब मिलेगा तुमको, कुछ होगा क्या, ऐसे पूछ रहे थे. तो मैंने बोला मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मैंने सुना है कि ये अच्छा है, करके देखते हैं कैसा है. तो ऐसे में कोर्स किया 2004 में. देन आई लेफ्ट, कोर्स किया. देन आई वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर फ्यू डेज, बट after 1 year or 6 months maybe, I left Art of Living, quit it. So then like मैंने ऐसा हो गया कि आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग नाम सुनना भी मुझे पसंद नहीं था. मतलब ऐसा हो गया कि मुझे कुछ और बनना है, मुझे आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग नहीं करना है, ये सब मुझे नहीं करना है, मैं ऐसे सोच रही थी. Then my husband was pushing me to to come to Art of Living, just join Art of Living course. And then last word like I gave to him that, see, if this is my last course in Art of Living, you will never repeat Art of Living, you will never say anything about Art of Living in front of me. So then Rishi Vidyadharji came to Assam. I think 2005, I think 5 or 6, I forgot the year. So I done my advanced course. मैंने advanced course किया तब. So it was like my turning point in my life. Then I realized what is art of living. Actually, what Gurudev wants to, not so big way, but I realized myself something that it is not like what I, keep a concept about art of living. It is not like that. It is something beyond that. So that time I decided that I will be, art of living teacher. मुझे art of living teacher बनना है. Then I will spread this knowledge to the people. And after doing the advanced course, like that was a turning point in my life. And Rishi Vidyadharji, he has given me so much love and caring, and that's why I came to Art of Living. And he suggested me to be work as a teacher that time. So like that I came to Art of Living. And now मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग नहीं होता तो पता नहीं कहाँ गिरे पड़े हुए रहते थे.
So true, Juliba, so true. I can relate with you so much. मैं भी कहाँ होती अभी मैं अगर ये सब नहीं करती. Okay. Okay, somebody has requested Ganesh for one last bhajan. Yes, yes. Since we started with bhajan, we would love to end with bhajan also. Ganesh, over to you.
Yeah.
Julie Didi is going to take this wonderful, beautiful course of Sahaj Samadhi. The details will be shared in this live session just within some 2-3 minutes. Please be aware and please note it down. Okay, so for you singing a last bhajan. So since I am learning from my Guru Harshal Pulekar ji, they have taught me on beautiful bhajans, and which is I am going to present in front of you. It's written and composed by them. Radhe 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 Govinda Hari Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda Gopala Hari Gopala Govinda Hari Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda Gopala Hari Gopala Govinda Hari Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Hari Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda Gopala Hari Gopala Gopala Hari Gopala Govinda Hari Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Hari Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda Gopala Hari Gopala Gopala Hari Gopala Govinda Hari Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda Gopala Hari Gopala Gopala Hari Gopala Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Oh Radhe Hope you all like it. Thank you very much, Julie Didi, for joining this session. We have poised by your answers that you have given, and I'm sure that all have been be satisfied with the answers which you have given. Yes, Sakshi, over to you.
Yes, yes, very much. Julie Didi has been an inspiration to me always and always, and I hope that she has inspired many of us today. And once again,
Thank you, Ganesh and Sakshi, and thank you all of you, those who are watching us today.